Hi there, hope you're all doing well. I'm back with another Zombicide Green Horde mini. This time it is Z, who is based off 11 from Stranger Things. She has been primed in German Panzer Grey, and I start off with Orc Blood for her dress. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below, or you can check out my Facebook page where there will be high-res photos of this mini. With the dress finished, I used electric blue to do her coat. Next up, I start on the skin with Elf Skin Tone. To finish up her clothing, I used matte black for her boots and belt. I also take the opportunity to do the base at this point. I then do the wooden box using werewolf fur. I now used dark flesh tone to do her hair. Next up is the only metallic with glorious gold for the banding on the box, and they look like cookies, but I'm going to go with gold coins because they look gold in the artwork. That will be it for the base colours finished. I start on the highlights with Warlock Purple for her dress. The next highlight is Ice Storm for her coat, and this is quite a large coverage as I don't really want that electric blue to be the main colour. I want ice blue to stand out more than the rest. I quickly grabbed Grey Matter Base to do her eyes before moving on to the next part. The last highlight before the wash is Cold Grey for her boots and belt. I do try to do her eyes in this, but it just doesn't work, so I come back with black a bit afterwards. Now onto the only wash using soft tone. I was originally going to use flesh wash on the skin, but soft tone has such a similar colour that it would work just fine for it. And that will be it for Z. I might see if I can buy the other two minis from Stranger Things, as they were not part of the Horde set, and I can have a full collection of them. If you have any questions or requests, feel free to drop them in the comments below and I will see what I can do. If you want to see high-res photos of this mini, check out my Facebook or Instagram page. I also stream on Facebook and Twitch Tuesdays, Thursdays and Sundays at around 8 PM UK time. You guys are always welcome to stop by, have a chat while we play some games. Like and subscribe if you want to see more content like this, but most importantly, don't forget to be kind to each other.